What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Weekend Diecast. What are we looking at today? Here we have a big boy from XCartoys once again, and this is Hongqi once again. So this model is Hongqi Guoyue, which is a luxury bus. It's more like a modern version of this bus that we have reviewed before. And this is made by Hongqi as well, and both of the bus are not like the shuttle bus that you're gonna take to the mall, that kind of thing. More official, more formal, and these are more for like a diplomatic purposes, you know, the receptions of the government officials, and maybe they can be used for some very high-end business that like those purposes. So yeah, I'm gonna attach the link of the old bus in the comment below, so you have a quick access if you're curious. Back to this bus. So it was actually released in 2024, so not too long ago, and it was the real bus size is about 7.3 meters long, 2.1 meters wide, and 2.8 meters high. So just an FYI. And we can look at this bus in more of a detail here. It's very heavy on hand, first of all. So I guess it utilized a lot of metals in the car. I mean, obviously, metal body, metal base is kind of standard for the XCartoys model cars. And this guy is all black. I believe they first released a kind of lighter color version, a lighter brown or gold color version, and this is the second colorway. So I bought this color because it gives you more like a, you know, executive bus, you know, more a government official feeling. So that's why I got this color. Looking at the front, you can see the Hongqi brand is right here, aka red flag. And here the side mirrors are very soft. I mean, rubber, made of rubber. So their mirrors are always, I mean, both of the bus, their mirrors are not facing at the right angle, especially for the passenger side. You should be looking at like your dead spot, right? Blind spot right here. I mean, this way you are basically looking at yourself if you're a driver. So a little weird, but it's just a rubber, you know. It's kind of hard to control the rubber here. And all right, front grille, the classic Hongqi waterfall front grille here with a silver, not chrome, but silver details. And inside is looking pretty good too. And headlights are, I mean, typical headlights, nothing special. Light bulbs details here, and more like texture at the bottom here, so that's pretty good. License plate, it's just the car model Hongqi Guoyue here in Chinese. And windshield wiper, double windshield wiper, are rested down here. It's molded in the glass. And here you have more air intake here, so have some kind of depth. Looks pretty good. Moving to this side, I'm going to look at this surprise side at the end. So this side, door panel looks good, door handle, all kind of good details, and you have this like a skirt line here, very classic Hongqi style, this red line here. I mean, in the old days, this line are super long, but nowadays, just like this, they applied all the Hongqi cars with this line here, including their sedans, SUVs, like nowadays. And the side blinkers are just painted different colors. You can see this like an air vent. Actually, this is a fan here. Actually have a separate piece, so it's very intricate. Looks pretty good. This piece actually is just plastic. Oh, the windows, I believe, are, plastic. And you can see clearly what's going on inside. And, we can look at inside. Driver's seat, pretty good color separation. You can see the dashboard and the control panels. Here you can even see the armrest on the, at least just the front row. Driver's side and passenger side with the armrest. And looking at the front row in the back, you can see actually a little desk and a little fridge here. We're gonna look at those one more of the detail in the moment here. Wheels are, this thing rolls smoothly and quietly, so pretty good. And different sets of wheels, front and back. Actually, when I'm looking at the picture, if you compare to the real car, it looks like the rear wheels should be more like a deep in there, but in the model car, it's not deep enough. So, but if you look at the old version, they actually did pretty good here, right? Look how neat, pretty those old buses look like, right? So that's a little bit downside of this newer model. Gas cap here, and you have more air vents on the side here. Hongqi logo. To the back, so many fuzz here. To the back, there comes with a windshield wiper in the back and some kind of fin here. And tail lights, the upper ones, probably the brake lights, are just painted, and lower ones are actually acrylic, separate piece here. Here is 中国仪器, means the FAW group in Chinese here. Guoyue, and license plate is Guoyue, Hongqi Guoyue as well. Moving to the fun side. Guess what? This car comes with a moving part. Different from the old version. The old version, this door, even though it looks like you can open it, but nope, it's just fixed. But this guy, you can slide it open. So it's a sliding door. They even recover the mechanic of the sliding door hinge here, right? The hinge, not sure it's made of metal or not, but you can see the thickness of the door, so it's very realistic. And not only that, but also at the bottom you can slide out a doorstep. So this doorstep can serve for two purposes, right? First, it's a doorstep. If you just walk to the door, it's a little higher clearance, so some people need assistance. Second, if you park to a curve or something, that is just a gap filler here. So you don't just fall to the gap, right? Fall in the gap. And the filler between the bus and the curb. So since we have this door open, we can look inside. You can see that. Do you see the little desk here? And you can even see those two bottle holders, two little holes on the desk. And this thing applies very close to us here is the fridge. So luxury bus. So many seats in here. How many seats? We can take a quick count. Two at the front, and there's a double seat here. And in the back, it's more like a 2+1 combo. So in total, the last row has 4 seats. So you can have a 17 seats in here. But you can also actually modify this car. You can modify this car into a single-digit seats, like 7 to 12 seaters. So you can see, so that's gonna be super luxury. Imagine you only fit 7 seats in this huge, well, how long? 7.3 meter bus, right? That's gonna be, gosh, you can have some party in there. You only have 7 seats. So in the real car, actually, all the back seats come with armrests. But in this model, only the driver's and passenger seats have armrest. Other than that, everything looks super good, super detailed. And yeah, this door, how fun is this door, right? You can put your little figures in there. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna retract this, put this back in place. Very easy to open. You just use your nail to crack it here open. And smooth operation. What else can we look? We can look at the top. This ridges on top. Pretty sure these are just for the reinforcements of the top, and come with a sunroof here. Little fin here and a little air vents, I believe. So yeah, looks very nice. At the bottom, lots of good details at the bottom. Is the same as the old one? Yeah, see? Beautiful. So silver exhaust pipes, mufflers here, and just exhale all the everything on the side. And this is just the doorstep here. I don't see any gas tank. This part is just a fan. And the wheels are not steerable, but rolls pretty well. Here's the like a protection thing at the front. Just look at the pipe, how beautiful the pipe goes. It even goes under this bar here. So lots of details here. Some Chinese character here. Guoyue XCartoys 2024. Yeah, because this car, the real car was released in 2024, and the model apparently released in 2024 or 2025. Yeah, I'm not sure. 中国一汽 FAW and Guoyue. Is this the gas tank? No, the gas tank should be bigger than this. At least bigger than this. Spare tire, which is also has rubber tires here. So beautiful. So it's funny that they can make the spare tire looks super neat and deep in there, but the actual rear tires are not accurate compared to the real car, right? So why do they do that? I don't know. And that will conclude my review of this bus here. I like this very much. I cannot open this. I assume there are some screws either hiding behind this wheel or hiding behind this protection panel here somewhere. So, but you can clearly see everything inside, so I'm not gonna try to open this thing. Most of the time, if I can, in this channel, I'll just open it up and look at the interior, if possible, but today's not the case. So hope you guys liked the review of this bus, and leave a like if you enjoyed. Subscribe to my channel because, you know, my channel is fun. I review a lot of 64 scale fun vehicles, mainly produced by XCartoys, to be honest, because Mini GT, Pop Race, those kind of brands, they only produce those race cars and some street cars. But like these, I kind of like this Chinese culture. I have a lot of Chinese culture elements cars here. So yeah, hope you guys like the video. I'll see you guys in the next one.